how to use Astra to make a WordPress website. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Astra to create a WordPress website. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now first things first, there are a couple of things that you're going to need. First on the list is going to be a hosting service. So there are a bunch of good hosting providers out there, such as Bluehost, Hostinger, and Namecheap. You can choose whichever one you like, or one of these. It all depends on you. Basically, you're gonna need a hosting to get a WordPress website, like domains and all of that. So once you have it, you are good to go. I basically use Namecheap because I found it to be the cheaper ones out there. It uses the easy WP or easy WordPress hosting to give you a WordPress hosting as well. So you can even use WordPress hosting itself, like you go over to the WordPress website and you can use its own services as well, but it all depends on you, right? So let's just assume that you have it. Once you have the hosting service, you are good to go. So as you can see right here, this is the WordPress website where I have. It's a pretty simple service, as you can see over here. Nothing too complicated, very simple. I just recently installed it. So now that you have yourself a hosting plan and a WordPress website, you're good to go. So on the left hand side, you will see you have a bunch of different options, right? So what you're going to need to do in order to create a website, you're going to have to install a plugin. Let me just show you what our website looks like as of right now. So when you first create a website, this is how it's going to look like. Very simple, nothing too crazy. Hello world, simple web page, simple page, simple website. That's how it looks. So let's go ahead and transform it into a very amazing looking website. So come over here onto the left side, and you're over on to plugin section. Click on add new plugins. So over here, you're gonna have to add or install a bunch of different plugins. So let's go ahead and do that. This is the plugin store right here. So let's go ahead and install some plugins. So first things first, it's going to be Astra, of course. So we're going to search for Astra over here. And once we have searched for Astra, we can see we have the starter templates over here for Elementor, WordPress, and Beaver Builder templates. So we're going to go ahead and install this one. And you're also going to need an Elementor website builder as well. So let's go ahead and install that as well. So once you have searched for it, you will see this is the plugin that we required, Elementor WordPress Builder. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on install now to install this template. And once it's installed, we can go ahead and activate it. If you want to have like more plugins or more options, you can go with the essential add-ons for Elementor as well, but it all depends on you. So there we go. It's now installed. Now let's go ahead and activate it. So once it's activated, we are good to go. Then it's going to take us over here, basically where we create a Elementor account, but we don't need that. We're just simply going to click on the cross button and close this page. And we're going to go back into the plugin section to activate the starter templates as well. You could have done that as well, but I forgot. I like to activate them after they've installed. So there we go. Now that that's activated, we are good to go. Now we need to apply a theme. So over here underneath appearance, you're going to see you have themes, editor, and starter templates. So we're going to click on themes, and over here we're going to choose the Astra theme right here. So let me just go ahead and update it. You also have the hello theme as well. This is for Elementor, so it works better for Elementor kits if you have them, but since this is for Astra, we are going to go with Astra right here. So let me just go ahead and click on activate to activate the Astra theme. And now we are good to go. Then you could either go to the starter template option over here underneath appearance, or you can click on theme details, and over here in the bottom you will see widgets, menus, and starter templates. So if you click over here onto starter templates, it's going to take you over here onto this page, and just simply click on build your website, and then just simply choose Elementor Builder or WordPress Builder or Beaver Builder. But we already have Elementor, and it's my personal favorite, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose Elementor. And then all these different websites, all these different themes, they're gonna be available to you for Elementor. So you can go ahead and choose whichever one of these you want, and you are good to go. So over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different themes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to choose a theme that works best for you, right? That works best for me. So over here, as you can see at the top, you have some different categories: business, local, personal care, professional, and each of these have their own different types of websites within that niche. So for business, you have agencies, restaurants, hotels and travel, construction, and all of the other ones as well. So you just choose the one you like. Same with blogs, community, personal sites, professionals, and all of that, right? So let's say I'm making a professional site for my portfolio: CV, photography, artist, author, musician, either that, or I could go with the business one and I could choose an agency, restaurant, or real estate, or manufacturing, pets, and gardening, right? So let's say I want a restaurant type of website. So I just simply click on restaurant, and all these different websites are available to me that are within that niche. And as you can see, some of them have the premium badge on them, which indicates that these are paid websites. So you won't be able to, get them unless you pay for them. So I think this one looks good. Italian restaurant, fresco, or steaks and barbecue. We could go with this one. But I also want to check out portfolio and CV, like this ones as well. So these ones also look pretty cool. So you could go with this one. So let's go ahead and try to edit a website, right? So let's go ahead and underneath e-commerce, I want an online clothing store. So I'm going to choose that. So let's go ahead and pick one out. So this one looks nice. Party and wear, fashion designer. So let's go ahead and click over here. And over here, this is where you upload your logo. So if you have a logo, you can go ahead and upload it over here. Instead of this GK, it's going to have your own logo. So if you don't have a logo, what you can do is you can come over here onto canva.com and make yourself a logo as well. So Canva is a free website where you can create a bunch of different logos as well. So as you can see over here, I'm going to click on logo. It's going to open up a canvas over here. And I also want to go to a template with logos. So I'm going to go with search for logo over here and go into the templates. Over here, we need 180 by 60 pixels. So over here, let me just check again how big is these logos. So these logos are 500 by 500. So over here, I click on OK. I also need to create a design. So I'll click over here. I'll click on custom design. So it says 180 by 60 pixels, right? Yep. Then I just simply click on create design. It's gonna create a canvas for me right here, as you can see. And over here, I can search for template. So I'm gonna search for logo. Okay, over here it's not showing, but whatever, we can just simply find these ones over here. So as you can see, Adam & Co, beauty spa, so we can go with this one. OpenEye. So these are basically pro ones. So let me just simply click on the free button to find a free logo. So as you can see, we have some of the other ones as well. So since this is a clothes brands, like it's a party wear, a formal website with formal clothes, so we need something of that caliber, like this one, like something minimalistic, right? This one looks good. It's minimal, it's cool, so we could go with this one. So I'll just simply click over here. It's sophisticated W with a circle. So what I'll do is I'll just simply drag and copy all of them, and I've already created a canvas over here, so I'll just simply paste them right here. Or I could go into elements, and all I would need to do is actually just simply find a circle like this one, and this color is like a grayish color, so we could go with this one as well, like over here. And then I'll just simply increase the size as well, like put it in the center. There we go. And then I'll just put a text as well. There we go. This is looking nice. I'll just simply put like a W as well. There you go. It's also in the center now. Now I just simply increase the size. There we go. There we go. That looks good. Now we just need to change it. So this is, what is it? So it has some different upscale as well. It's different, 140. It has a different color. It has a different font as well. So let me just choose that as well. Just think this looks nice. Yeah. So for this one, I'll also choose a different color, like a gray, and we'll click on that. And I'll also add an effect on it. You could go with the glitch effect, like that, or with a boxy color or shadow, with a light or shadow, whatever it is, or none. And yeah, I think that looks good. Let me just delete this. I actually created this second canvas as well, so let me actually delete this. So there we go. Yeah, also need to upscale it as well, maybe like up to 20. There you go. Yeah, I think that looks good. You could go with a different logo or whatever. Now then, we'll just simply download the logo to place it within our website. I'll put it in images folder. There we go. Now we come over here and we upload the logo. There you go. So as you can see, now it's changed. It's a W. It is quite small, but we can also increase the length and height of it as well. So it was actually over here, right? We could go with something along the lines of 200. There you go. Then we just simply click on continue, and then we choose what type of colors we want. So we have these colors. We'll go with red, blue, sky blue, purple. It all depends on you, but I think the original colors look much better. And then we'll just simply click on continue, and then over here we enter in the form, and we should be good to go. And then once you've done that, give it a couple of seconds for the website to be built, and you are good to go. Then over here, as you can see, your website has been created, and now we just simply click on the button to view the website. Now as you can see over here, it's completely different and it looks pretty cool. Now all you need to do is just simply edit it. Now to edit it, we already have edit with Elementor, so we just simply click on edit with Elementor over here to take us to the editor. Give it a couple of seconds to load up, and you are good to go. So over here, as you can see, this is how the editor looks like. On the left hand side, you will have all of your other tools, and on the right hand side you have your navigation, and then the middle you have your main website. Now whenever you hover your mouse over onto each section, that section is going to get highlighted, which indicates that you can go ahead and edit it. So over here, if you want to edit this button or change the image, all you got to do is just simply click on these 3 buttons, or this 6 button, which is the edit section button. Click on that and you can go ahead and edit it out. You could go with the height of this section right here. You can change the types of column, you can change the gaps and all of that. You can even change the style or change the image entirely. So you can even add like a type of background as well over here. As you can see, background overlay. And also you could go into layouts and you can add different themes on it as well. So if I click on type, and over here you could choose different images, right? So we have free gallery over here. These are all the images that we get within the theme. So if you want, just simply click on free images over here, and you can choose how many images you want. So over here, I'll just simply search for a model. We could go with some of these images if we want, but it all depends on you. Like if you wanted to search for like a party or dress, so maybe if we search for dress, we can find an image that looks cool, like a party dress. Over here, as you can see, we have some images for party. Instead of dress, I'll just simply search for party. Maybe I'll find something cool. Okay, so I searched for black dress. Yeah, like this one, like this image popped up. We could go with this one. Looks cool. So we just simply click on insert the image over here, and the image will be inserted over here at the background. But I think this one looks much better. But yeah, also we have this section right here. What is happening here? And also we have some other sections as well down below. As you can see, we could go ahead and edit these ones out as well. So it all depends on you how you want to edit a website. Like it's pretty simple. If you want to change this heading, just simply select them all and choose. You can type over here onto the left hand side and choose them as well. Like if you wanted to set a different theme over here, like maybe like animation, simply click on the edit section button over here, click on advanced, and over here you will see motion effects. So you can change some motion effects over here, like fade in. So then that's how it's gonna fade in every time you log on to the website, and it's pretty cool. So if I click on update, let's say we want to view this, so we click on view. changes at the bottom, and we're gonna see this is how it looks like. It pops up, like fades in. So pretty simple. You could add different effects to it, change all these images up, and you are good to go. So pretty simple. That's how you do it. That's how you edit the website. And that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.